Hello everyone, welcome to Omar on Variety. Today we're going to do a lesson about mean absolute deviation, okay, which can be written as mad. Really, when you teach it, you feel like you are mad. So, what is mean absolute deviation? From its name, it's like the average of the average. That sounds weird. Okay, so it's kind of when you say, let's say the average age, or average height, let's say the average height of students in middle school, let's say 5'4". Okay, that's the average height of students. So this means whenever you see a middle school student, his height will be close to 5'4". Okay, what does it mean when you say MAD? MAD is, let's say, by mass we can find it, let's say 2 inch. This means that whenever you find a student, let's say in that school in ISL, when you find a student in middle school, the average difference between his height and that average is 5'4", is like 2 inch. Still looks weird. Let's give better example of that. Okay, let's see people who care about pets. You have a cat and you are buying two types of food. Food number one and food number two. Okay, they have 4 or 5 cats, so I'm going to construct a table. And that's cat number one, cat number two, cat number three, cat number four, cat number five. And the same thing here for food type number two. 2, 3, 4, 5. Cats, hens, people who are raising hens may worry about it. Plants, let's say you are measuring the height of your plants. Anyway, with food number one, with fertilizer number one, whatever, you got, let's say, the cat's weight was 2.5 pounds, that's in pounds. This one is like 2.7. Have here 2.4. Have here 3.6. And I have 2.9. Okay. For type 2 of that food, the weight of this cat or these cats is like 2.6, 2.4, 2.8, 2.5, and 2.7. Let's see which type of food will give you better variability. Which type of food will keep your cats or your pets or your hens at a specific weight, more stable. Okay, so in order to find the MAD, we need to actually do a lot of work. It's very few steps. I will summarize it here. Okay, so you are going to have step 1, find the mean of the data. Okay, step 2, and I will tell you what does it mean, find the absolute distance. And step 3, find the MAD itself. So step 1, let's find the average of each one. So the average for this one, I will use here my calculator, and I'm going to add the numbers. So 2.5 plus 2.7 plus 2.4 plus 3.6 plus 2.9 equals this 14.1. I have 5, so divide by 5, this will give me 2. So the average here is 2.82. Okay. For the other type of food, number 2, have 2.6 plus 2.4 plus 2.8 plus 2.5 plus 2.7. This will give me total of 13. 13 divided by 5 is 2.6. So far, still you can't tell which food has less variability. You are looking for less variability. You're looking for consistency. This can be counting performance of your employee, the efficiency of food, efficiency of gas. It's kind of your, let's see, who will not change over the time, so you can make your estimation. Okay, now we are not done. I have to do some kind of here step to find the absolute value or absolute distance. As I recall, distance is always a non-negative value. Non-negative is different from positive. When I say positive, I mean a number greater than zero. But when I say a negative, non-negative value, it means it can accept a zero or a positive number. So I will work on this one first here. Okay, let's enlarge it. Or you know what? Let's take it in a new page better. Okay, and we said that the average here, the average was 2.82. Okay, so I will make another row here in the table, and we are going to have the absolute difference. So in each one, you're going to subtract the mean, your value from the mean. So, or the mean from the value. So 2.5 minus 2.82. And you find the absolute value for this one. This will be 0.32. And then 2.7 minus 2.82. Find the absolute value. This will be 0.12. Now it gives you negative value, but it's absolute value, so it's positive. 2.4 minus 2.82. This will be 0.42. 3.6 minus 2.82. This will be 0.70. Oops. Okay. 0.78. And then finally 2.9. Sorry, those are all absolute values. Those are all absolute values. And 2.9 minus 2.82, this will be 0.08. Okay, these numbers now are not the MAD, those are just the distances. We're going to add them, like average them. Let's average them. So open your calculator. 0.32 plus 0.12 plus 0.4 plus 0.78 plus 0.08. This is 1.7 divided by 5. It gives you your MAD is 0.34. Yes, 0.34. Okay, that was the math for food number 1. Let's see the math for food number 2 here. And we have average of 2.6. Let's take that one here, Control C. That's with average 2.6. Okay, let's put it up here. Let's enlarge it as much as we can. And I'm going again to add a column here which will have the distances. Okay, so we said the average was 2.6. The average was 2.6. So each one we're going to do 2.6 minus 2.6. This is a 0. 2.4 minus 2.6 absolute value, that is 0.2. 2.8 minus 2.6, that's another 0.2. 2.5 minus 2.6, this is 0.1. You can see here even the numbers, gives you an indication of what is going on. 2 minus 7 minus 2.6, this is 0.1. Okay, that's not the math. You need to average these numbers. So 0 plus zero point 0.2 plus zero point 0.2 plus zero point 0.1 plus zero point 0.1, this is 0.6. 0.6 is divided by 5, that is 0.12. That is the measure of variability for data number 2. So data number 1, the MAD was 0.34, but for data number 2, the MAD was 0.12. Which one do you think is better? We are looking for less variability. We are looking for better one, number 2. You can see that here, if this you are raising hands or you are feeding your cats, you can see that in average, each chicken will be like 0.12 pounds away from the average, which was 2.6 here. So looking for 2.48 to 2.72, and that's correct. But in the other one here, you're looking for a variability of 0.34 pound. That's a bigger amount. Okay, that's just one simple example for MED. I will make more examples, and stay tuned, and thank you very much.